Here's how to use Siri AI in the Notes app for content creation, image generation, and solving math problems. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. Open an existing note or create a new one. On the iPhone keyboard, you'll see the Write with Siri option. To use this feature, make sure the new Siri is enabled in Settings. To start writing with Siri in Notes, tap the Write with Siri option. Enter a topic or prompt, and Siri will begin generating content. Drag the Siri window downward to expand it. Now, touch and hold the response to copy it, then paste it into your note. You can also ask Siri to edit the content and change the format, such as turning it into a table or a numbered list for easier reading. In addition, you can generate images with Siri AI. Tap the Siri button on the keyboard again and enter a prompt like Create an image or Generate an image related to this note. That's it. For students and business users, Siri AI in the Notes app is also great for solving math equations and word problems. Open the Siri app. Tap the plus button next to the text box. Select the camera, then take a picture of your math problem. Enter a prompt like, Solve this problem. After a few seconds, Siri will generate a complete step-by-step solution. That's it. You're all set. You can do all of this with Siri AI for free. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.